الله أكبر الله أكبر.
Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. An iconic landmark located in the heart of the city of Toronto, Madinah Masjid is one of the oldest and largest masjids which cater to the culturally diverse Muslim population of Toronto. A visible sign of a Muslim institution for residents all over the GTA, Madinah Masjid has become a focal point for thousands of Muslims that come to the masjid every year for daily prayers, to learn about Islam, and partake in programs the masjid has to offer. Over the years, the masjid's roof has deteriorated. The roofing must be addressed immediately to avoid more significant damage and costly repairs. Portions of the roof which were installed in 1992 have reached beyond end of serviceable life. Roof leaks have been consistently occurring in various areas, including the front entrance, second floor prayer hall, and the main prayer hall. We're asking for your support. You and your family can make a lasting contribution to this house of Allah. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala says, "The mosques of Allah are only to be maintained by those who believe in Allah and the last day, and establish prayer and give zakah, and do not fear except Allah. For it is expected that those will be of the rightly guided." Our aim, inshallah, is to commence work by June of 2022, with an appeal to collect $250,000 by the end of May. These have been difficult times for sure, but preserving the house of Allah is a duty upon us all. We're asking you all to open your hearts and donate generously with whatever you can afford. May Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala give abundant blessings for all that you donate in the cause of Allah. Wassalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah.
ربنا يا ربنا ربنا يا ربنا ربنا يا ربنا